I know. It's a big, big tree. Wait, hang on. Ah, there. Kayong dalawa ni Nika.
Mom, you're in the camera.
Sorry.
Okay,
What
that's
is-
good.
What is that?
What is that? There's a white speck. Probably right. Still there.
Morton.
Hang on, huh? It's still there.
That's Morton, anak.
Oh, there's
Oh,
none.
there.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, I think it's a shine. That's why.
Oh, yeah. Ah, okay. Hindi, huwag na kayo gumalaw. Oh. No, you're good.
Atayin that mo na tayo.
Kaming apat. Oh. Come on.
You and Mom?
Us.
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 I'm gonna be like.
Smile.
Mm.
Meron talaga siya puti.
Mm.
Sa gilid. Like sa light.
Wait, can I see my face?
Oh, there's a mosquito na.
Let's go. I don't want to see. Oh,
Lahat ng palikod ni Rod.
Knock on your nape, ha?
Ano yung nip daw?
Nape?
Nip?
Next.
No, the nape. What is it? Ano meron? Ha? Ah, yung nipa hat, oh.
Raki.
I'm not gonna open my mouth because of this.
Ayan, dami na. Dami. Kapakina naman ako.
It sounds like we're FPC that didn't talk.
Oh, wala naman. Kanina meron. Wala naman. Malamok. Walang kumukuha sa akin ng picture. Oo. Kadaga ko, ha? Go. Ba, may pumasok bang lamok sa damit ko? Are we going? Oh my God. Thank you.
Sir, bili ka na. Oh.
Good na kayo, sir.
Oy,
Kaya magsisiyar.
thank you, thank
Nakita niyo yung 100-year-old na ano doon?
100-year-old ba yon? Yung tree na yon?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
100-year-old yun, sir.
Talaga. Kumain ba kayo?
So, malamok lang din sa likod kasi
Oo, malamok na.
umuulan, sir.
Oo.
Expected talaga ito.
Ito na tayo. Thank you.
Red box. Sure.
No, I only got...
Okay, ma'am, sir, so before we leave, you may double check your belongings po, ah. So, cellphone, camera, yung kasama po ninyo.
Iwan. Wag na.
So this time, we have also another activity. So going back, we could work. We call that snoring time.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Palakasan ng kilig.
So, thank you po.
Okay, so snoring.
In business snorkeling, snoring.
So we snorkel, but we snore.
Yep.
It's so comfy that.
Yep. Oh,
Yes, sila nakakagad ng mga. Sila Jeda. Dito mo lang doon. Sakta ka rin nga ako ng tingin ko dito. Siguro
Me,
napitan.
mom. Who do you love more, me or mom?
Parang
Who?
Who do you love more, me or mom?
ay. Why do you ask that? Should be equal.
nakita ko na yun.
Ay, nakapasok.
Kasi nakita ko lang,
Ayan.
parang hindi ko kasi nakita yung pagkagat. Ang iniisip ko lang, iniisip ko bakit
Good ka?
ang uwi naman doon sa likod, hindi naman ano yung
That's okay.
matanda.
Oh,
Ano, hindi ba siya nag-reklamo o nag-react? Pero alam niya nakakit siya. Ayun, ngayon lang nila. Tapos sinabihan ko si Jeda, sabi ko, Jeda, sabi ni Jeda, wala ka naman kuya sa ngayon lang nila na ayun baka nagtanong lang siya, nakita ko yung dalawa eh. Winner's aid nung anak niya na ano. Pero malaki yun, nakita ko mukhang pao talaga yung ano. Kasi ibang hindi siya yung kalmot lang na gano'n, tapos paong talaga siya. Dati may rabies yun, 1.5 yun. Maliban lang
Oh,
mga
gosh.
pagkakali, mga balik-balik lang. 1.5 yun sa video. May tanong rin ba yun? Tama yan, delikado yun kung mas matindi. Virus niya. Okay?
hold this. Oh, plug it in. Mm-hmm.
How does it slip? So it's not that easy. Thank you very much. How do you
You do the Filipino accent.
Thank you very much po. Salamat.
Bag mo? Bag mo? Bag mo. Where's the gum? Where's the gum? Where's the gum?
Yung namatay pala ba yun?
Gusto niyo pong gum? Gum po.
Mag-irong nga daw? Oo. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ay, boss, gum po.
Bangungot ba? Tatlo yun. Ba't mo nakatabi rin daw sila? Kaso lang yung katabi niya yung dalawang bata. Yung isa niya, yung asawa niya, sa gilid, tabi namin.
takes a long time. It's not that hard. Not that hard. It takes a long time.